Hello, boils and ghouls. My name is Nicole, and today I'm here to show you how to get a super dramatic, glamorous vampire look. I am starting off by filling in my eyebrows because every ghoul needs her eyebrows. Am I right or am I right? I'm just cleaning up around the edges with a concealer, and then I'm going to pack that all over my eyelids so we can get ready for some eyeshadow. For eyeshadow, I'm doing a very sultry, kind of winged out type of look. So I like to go in with my darkest shade for eyeshadow first, which is going to be black for today's look. And then I'm going to start packing on a very deep brown and just softening up the black and really extending it out towards my temples and bringing it up towards my eyebrow there in the inner part of my eye. And then I also take a very warm maroon type of color just to smoke everything out so it's blended seamlessly. I just go back and forth with the shades and keep adding more black and adding more brown till it is as dramatic as I want it to be. I'm laying down a little bit of that concealer on my lid and then packing on a bright red to make it very vampire-esque. I'm taking an eyeliner and I'm just putting it on my lid and really bringing it up towards the outer corner there, and then I'm just taking my black shadow and blending it into my eyeshadow. Instead of doing a winged liner, it's just all kind of connected and looks like a winged liner. Next, I'm going to do my complexion. I just did a full coverage foundation, some full coverage concealer, and then I set it all with a translucent setting powder just to make sure it's locked in to place all day. I'm going in and contouring. I'm doing quite a bit of a dramatic contour for this look. And then I'm just adding a little bit of blush, nothing too dramatic, but just a little something to add a little bit of color. I'm putting in a base into my waterline and then packing on red shadow. Be careful when doing this. I just didn't have a bright red liner to put in my waterline, so I did it that way, but just be really careful when doing that, okay? And then I'm just smoking out my lower lash line. I did a black pencil underneath that, and I'm adding a little highlight into my inner corner and to my eyebrow bone just to finish off this eye look. I did a little point on the inner corner of my eye with my eyeliner. I love doing this anyways, but especially for like a vampire look, it just helps give that really dramatic, spooky kind of eye look we're going for. I went ahead and did the other eye. Ooh. And I'm putting on some mascara so we can start the process of eyelashes. I wanted to do really giant eyelashes, so I went for some of the biggest ones I had, and I'm just popping these on. And then I'm just doing some highlight to my nose, to my cupid's bow, and also to my cheeks. I decided I wanted it a little bit more red on my lower lash line because vampires are dead, right? So I wanted their, under eye bags to be a little bit more dramatic. So I just added some more red shadow. And then I popped on a wig and some vampire accessories. And now we're doing some vampire teeth. I had to hold those on there for about 5 minutes, but look how cute and spooky they look. I did that before I did my lipstick because it would have been a mess with red lipstick on. So I'm just lining my lips first, and then I'm popping on a very red, like a true blue-red lipstick to finish off this look. And then what would a vampire be without blood? I just added a little bit to the side of my mouth. I didn't want to go too crazy because we still wanted to be very glamorous. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this quick and easy tutorial on how to be a vampire for Halloween. I wish you all a very happy Halloween. And I'll see you guys later. Bye!